with me. Jake Paul! Oh my god, can I?
Vlogging?
Yeah.
I like these.
What are these?
Where we at, bro? Where we at?
Speedboat.
A speedboat?
Yeah.
What you mean a speedboat?
A boat that goes fast.
Wow.
Oh, we're doing boat riding,
Boat riding.
as far as I know, but I'm not so sure. We'll see.
Yes!
Boat trip, boat trip.
Boat trip, baby. I like that shirt, Barton.
Thank you, bro. Thank you very
Where'd
much.
you get this?
England. Just repping the badge.
Okay.
There we go. With a bit of a colour as well.
Yeah, it's
I
nice.
like colour in England.
It's cool.
Yeah,
I like
yeah,
it.
thank
It looks like a rugby shirt. Like,
It is. It is. It's I think it's a double XL. Hey. that was Quinn's artistry.
Wow, no, impossible, bro.
that's what was on your back the other day. Pedro, that was on your back.
me, bro.
Is yours still there?
No, it's not, bro.
Wait, we could so jump.
Picture.
Thanks, twin.
Flip! Backflip!
Backflip.
Yo!
Flip. Flip.
Ah, that's lame. Go hit his face.
Yeah.
Yeah! We are cloudy. Really? That's kind of fun.
Nice.
Today's beautiful. Beautiful day out in the water, ain't it?
Yeah.
That would be.
Not in the water. It's on the beach.
That would be sick if that was on the water. He's rowing. They're rowing. Quinn, you gotta do like the. No, it's like the. Yeah. Hell nah. Quinn, you're fired, bro. It's pretty though.
It's pretty.
When they both jump, did you also jump?
What are we doing, bro?
You're flat.
Imagine that being your house.
It also looks so satisfying. Like I just want to go in it.
It does look quite nice.
Yeah. Is that an abandoned building?
It looks like it.
Let's go explore.
Well, there's a cave. Is that a cave? Is that a cave? Nah. That'd be cool. The water's so clear. It's really pretty. Alright.
So romantic.
Winter, like December, January, more or less. February also, when comes the biggest storms. Yeah, there, just in front of you, with low tide. Really, really good spot to surf in. Really?
This place is like big set.
The photo.
We got a pro driver navigating all this.
Holy shit! Wow!
Okay.
Hey, hit a flip!
You hit backflip?
Yeah. You need a video it? Thanks, bro. What's that? You touched the floor. No, I did not. Let's see it. You!
Do it! Oh, backflip? I do front flip. Front flip.
Okay.
Me cago en Dios. ¿Tú sabes hacer esa
Hostia,
mierda?
que me ha dado toda la cámara. Yo qué hago con esto.
We want to
No voy a hacer ni un montón. Toma.
Very good. Coño. El diablo. Where are you from?
Soy de Texas, pero vivo en Costa Rica.
Viva Texas y Costa Rica.
Sí.
El diablo, tú estás
¿Y
muy
tú?
crazy. Yo de aquí.
Oh, de aquí.
Yo aquí
¿Y tú?
local.
Madrid.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Mario.
Mario?
Jonathan.
Jonathan? Me llamo Peyton.
Peyton.
Sí, mucho gusto.
Peyton
mucho gusto.
is...
Peyton.
Ah,
Peyton,
Peyton.
sí.
Ah.
Peyton.
Jake Paul. Oh my God, Canelo, die. Canelo, die.
So my name is Alejandro. I'm from Madrid, Spain, and today we first got on a boat. We saw a lot of parts of the beach. We did some donuts. It was really fun, the boat, and then we went to jump and do backflips, and the day was really fun.
Yeah. Shoot.
We're in the mall in Spain, checking it out, seeing what we got.
Might buy a skateboard today, is that right?
Buy skateboard, yeah. The surf shop opens in 15 minutes. I think we're probably gonna head over there half an hour to an hour. Thinking about just, buying a full board. Yeah. Check out how expensive
Come
it
back
is.
to the mall to skate it.
And you're gonna buy,
Yeah, for real.
and you're gonna buy a surfboard, yeah?
We're gonna see. I might have to.
I think you should buy a surfboard.
Oh, there they are. What is this?
Matching t-shirt, too.
The lovers. The lovers from different mothers. What is this brand? What is that, bro?
What's up?
Show us, Daria, what did you got?
Look how pretty it is.
Wow.
Look, like that, it's not that pretty. Wait.
Ooh, but I feel it's gonna fit you really nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
We dig it.
We did it.
Nice. It's beautiful.
It's like high rise.
You found something.
I got this little.
Así serían 3.59.
Alright. Oh.
€3.
Oh my god, bro.
It's a good
Got the
find.
deal.
Sin bolsa?
Sim, no bolsa?
No bolsa.
No bolsa. Save the planet. No
Save the
bolsa.
planet, baby.
Yeah, bro.
A little like, I don't know what it's called. I pulled like a button up, but I'm gonna crop it probably here.
Yeah.
And here.
And at the bottom.
And it's gonna be fire. You'll pay for it. No.
Yeah.
Let's go to the surf shop. I'm gonna buy it.
Like,
See
why
how
not?
much it is. We'll price it out, and if it's in my price
We see the
range,
parts they have because
we
if
see the parts they have.
not worth.
Let's go.
Vamos.
Hey bro, ese comportamiento no está permitido. Siento.
Not
Está
allowed.
bien.
Have you ever skated a mall before?
Yeah.
Are you
There are,
even allowed?
I think
Probably
nine stairs.
Yo! What's up, Megan? What'd you get?
I got a scale.
Okay, nice.
Oh,
Nice. I like that color.
I like your tattoo still there too.
okay.
Yeah, if you have like a crazy big one, but.
Here we go. Yeah, I feel like I just have like little studs though.
Okay, how much is it then?
Oh,
CJ Club, it's this one. This is
775. 7. That's a tech deck, bro. That blue deck's kind of sick. What size is that? Toy machine.
80 euros. Okay. 80 euros. We're in the surf shop, checking out the boards. No luck on a board setup for me. There were a couple wheels, but they were just for cruisers, and some of them were just kind of, I don't know what the other ones
51 millimeters, like super small.
They were like micro.